Prisha's World today. I'm making another slime video with my friend Mimi. So we're doing this blindfold challenge where we put our blindfolds on and start making slime. No cheating. And so let's get started. So here we are with all this slime things.
We've already added the glue,
as you can see, and we're gonna add the accessories with our blindfolds on. So Mimi, come on.
Okay.
Put our blindfolds
Wait,
on.
how much do we have? Is there a timer?
No.
Okay. So,
Okay, this is really hard to take these beads. Okay, this is really hard.
this is like beads, I think. This is beads. I don't know what color
Wait,
this is.
where's the box? Yeah.
This is the color beads. How do you open this thing?
Ooh. Just
I
open it right now.
think I'm gonna start with like glitter instead.
I think that's probably enough. I feel like it's too much. Where's my there? Now I'll start.
I can't see it.
Ooh, I can feel it. I mean, not feel it. I mean, I can hear it.
I don't know which color to pick.
Where's the color bit? Where's the colors?
I think I'm gonna add this. Where's my slime?
Where's the color? Where is the color? So guys, we had to take our blindfolds off to find the dye, and there it is. So now we can put our.
And we can't open these bottle things.
Yeah, they're really hard to open. So.
And
Yeah,
maybe first we put our blindfolds down, and then we take one, and then whatever one we have to try and open it to put it inside.
So sorry if we accidentally cheated, but we needed to find this. So let's put our blindfold back on. Mimi, are you there? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm here.
Choose one. Just choose a random one because we don't know what colours they are.
Wait.
Mimi, you're picking up a packet.
Wait, I want to just hold it in.
I can barely see a thing.
Okay, I chose this color, guys. I want like a spacey one.
Wait, I want to just choose this.
How much drops do you add?
Just put it here. Let's put this down. No, this is bad. Okay. So this is this.
Okay, I think I added
Just
too much
gonna-
dye.
Just mix all that.
and-
Squeeze all that
Wait,
thing in.
where is
Okay,
where is the packet?
What packet? Oh, the dye packet.
Wait, I don't think I've added
Maybe
any
we can
in.
add two
I don't
colours,
think
guys.
I've added any in.
Oh,
Yeah, now I've added
we
some
can add
in.
2 colours. Mimi, if you like. Choose
Okay.
another colour.
Wait, I don't want to.
Okay.
Oh my god, I feel like I have added a lot. Wait.
Okay.
It
How do I
wasn't
open
bad.
this thing? Mimi, I can't open this thing.
Wait, what are you trying to open?
This.
The
did.
dye.
Yeah. Yeah. Here's my mixing bowl. Mix all that thing
I
in.
don't know what color this is.
Oof.
I think
So
it's
hard
blue
to
again.
mix.
I think it's blue again. I think this is blue again. I think I'm gonna change color.
Now what accessory? What's this?
Is
Oh,
there a purple
I think this
dye?
is a glitter thing, guys. Okay.
Okay.
I want to put a little bit of glitter in it.
My god.
I can take this colour. I don't know what it is. Okay.
Okay. I think I've added enough. Whatever that color was.
Okay. Mimi, since we don't know where the spoons are, let's just put a sprinkle of where's the milk?
Okay. I don't. Oh my god. I like knocked you. No.
I wonder what this thing is.
No, I think I want this thing. I think these are the sparkles. The packet sparkles. How do you open this thing?
Just open it like randomly. I think it's ready to activate. Where's it?
Wait, is this the glue?
Yeah, this is the activator, guys, because I can feel it swirling around. See? Oh, wait, I think this is where it says slime
Wait.
activator. Open
I
this.
actually want another
Where's
different
my
packet.
bowl? Mimi.
What?
Oh, uh-oh, some activator on my hands.
Okay.
There.
I just
Perfect.
can't find something. What am I searching
I
for?
think I can now mix it in.
I am searching for something. I don't know what I'm searching for. Wait, where are the glitter packets?
Where are they anyway?
No, they're not on the table.
They have to. Maybe
Oh,
I'll
right,
put this
yeah,
thing in.
it is next to
I wonder
you.
what this is.
My God, I've lost
These are like the pearl beads, I think.
Yeah, they're like fish beads. Okay.
Yeah. I don't know. I have these. Whoa! Bone beads. I think I already put them in. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where
I think
is
I'm gonna
it?
add some glitter. Oh my God, I think that went out of the container.
Oh wait, I think it's starting to activate already. Are you done, Mimi?
No, I'm just adding more glitter in. Now. I'm searching
colour dye.
for the feed.
Okay.
I don't want these. Different packets of
Oh,
fish.
the slime activator.
No, these don't
nah.
feel right.
Foam beads, I put them
think I'm
in.
gonna
These,
choose-
where are the fish
Oh
beads?
my God.
Where are the
These
fish
are
beads?
open. These are open. These are basically.
I want to put these things in.
Yeah. Oh my God, Prisha. Okay, I don't.
Where's my
know.
bowl? Where's my bowl? Yeah. Put some in. Wait, is it even coming out? Is it even coming out? Wait. Yeah, I think that's probably enough.
Oh
Start
my God,
mixing that thing.
I think I.
Start
yeah,
putting
I
that
know.
mix. Whoa, someone's coming on my hands.
Okay, now let's put these
Mimi,
away.
are you done? Nearly.
No, I want to add like a glitter.
Yeah, I don't know where the glitter pack is.
No, I already added in glitter. I want these, these bottles of glitter.
Bottles of glitter. I don't think there's any bottles of glitter.
These
Mimi.
tiny.
That's the dye, Mimi.
No,
I feel my slime is starting to activate.
These containers.
What?
I can't open this.
This?
Yes. Give it.
Yeah, I know. It's really hard to open.
Can somebody help me open this? I'm trying to. Fine, I'm gonna skip this.
I
now.
think my slime is starting to activate, guys, and it's really oily. Okay, so it feels really good.
These in. Oh, these are wet. No, I'm not. I did those.
I think that's my old slime I made, Mimi. I want to put these things in. Ooh, what is this? I think you have to open it.
Okay, I'm just. Wait, where's the dye?
Where?
Oh no, I sipped it out of the bowl.
What?
Yes, I did.
Doesn't matter. We've got tissue paper as well.
I think I wasted it all.
What?
I wasted all the silver glitter. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I think I'm gonna. Do you have a purple dye?
I don't know. I think this
okay.
colour might
I think
look
this
good
is
on my
purple.
slime.
This is definitely purple.
That has to be purple. How do I open it?
I think my slime is gonna look good.
I think my slime is gonna look good too.
I don't think you have purple. Is this purple? I don't think this is purple.
I don't think
This
I do.
is green. I'm gonna add some green in.
Mimi, are you cheating?
No!
Let me find my little spoons. There are the spoons. Okay. Because
I have
need
a spoon next to me. I already put it. Where's the lid? Oh, there it is. I don't think I have
Is there anything in
Okay.
here?
Come on, Pink. Come on in here.
Ugh. This is so hard doing it with blindfold.
With a blindfold.
Yeah.
I got some dye on my fingers.
Okay.
My hand is green. Voila.
How do you know? Mimi?
Voila.
You're barely even looking.
I know, but
Okay, guys, I think my slime's formed. I
I
think my slime's formed, guys. So
where is
time.
where is the solution? This is the solution, isn't it?
Pass it to me.
Wait.
Pass it to me.
Oh,
'Cause
wait.
I know. Yeah. Is it? Wait. No, this is glue. Yeah, this is Teresa.
Okay.
Okay. I'll wait for you, Mimi.
How much do I add in?
Just add a couple of. Mimi! I think that's enough. I
Okay.
think that's too much.
Okay, where's the spoon?
I can feel like my slime is starting to feel heavy and it's sticking on my. Yeah, I think it's sticking.
Okay.
Mimi, don't put too much. I'm gonna put some glitter.
Okay. This is my spoon, I think. Yeah. I'm mixing in my slime. Are you going in my slime? Is your blindfold off? I think I leaked. I think I spilled it. My God, mine
Let me
is
take
leaking.
it off.
Mine's
Mimi,
leaking.
it's leaking.
Wait.
Uh-oh.
What happened?
Oh my God! Good news, mine is already formed.
What is this thing?
Guys, look, my slime's formed.
I've actually never made slime before.
Yeah.
What the?
What
Why?
happened to the activator?
I don't know. Ew.
Ew.
This is totally fail.
A big fail. Look at mine.
How did you make such good slime? I've actually never made slime. So that's why. This is black poop. Yahoo. Well, it does kind of look like space. Yeah, fail space.
You put too much glitter.
No, I don't. You never add too much glitter. Where's the other half of my slime? There it is.
It's leaking.
Oh my God.
Uh-oh. Guys, mine is not a fail. Just look at this thing. It's slime. It's just, I think
I
want
want to try again.
Mimi, look at all this mess.
It doesn't even want to stretch. It like has.
Let me
It
feel.
was overactivated. Look.
Ew! Guys, it feels so weird. It feels so weird. Maybe.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Mimi, how do we turn this black?
I don't know. Maybe I squirted in and it breathed in some of the paint. I squirted it in and maybe like. How did you make such good slime? Maybe next video I will try and we'll not do it with blindfolds. I'm definitely not ready.
We're
for
doing a
blindfolds.
different challenge.
Yes, we're gonna do how to teach Mimi to make slime. Yeah? What about that?
Oh, but the other challenge. So this kind of challenge is I have to tell Mimi what kind of challenge I want. And I have to put a blindfold on so I don't see what Mimi does. So I'll tell her what I want and she has to try and make it. But I can't see what she's making or else, yeah, it's supposed to be a surprise.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and then, that is gonna happen next video, you know. And thank you for watching.
And see you next time. Bye!